Hello, I'm Cassie Rape, your math coordinator. You've been chosen from the thousands of students in Houston County to make this graduation test preview because you have traits that make you an ideal candidate as a peer tutor. You're knowledgeable, you're well liked, and you've agreed to help us. This video you're making is a preview and a math coach on how to best work the assigned problems. Watch this video that I made, which admittedly will be less interesting than yours. Take notes. And remember to include the important points from my video on yours. My video is like a script for yours. The biggest difference is that students will want to watch your video because they like you, and they'll probably find mine a little boring. So, in your video, you'll first introduce yourself. You'll tell what school you attend and which problem you're working out. Then you'll begin. Thank you for your help in making these videos. You really are helping an entire county to achieve at higher levels. This is problem number 5 from the practice graduation test. It says, a student sketched this graph of the function. Which equation is a zero of the student's functions? Well, to be able to work this out by looking at the graph, you have to first know what a zero is. Okay, so let's talk about the word zero. A zero actually has several different names. In other words, they could say zero, they could say solution, they could say x-intercept, and they could say root. Okay? These are all somewhat synonyms when you're given a picture like this and asked for what the zeros are. Okay? A zero means where it crosses the x-axis, not the y, the x. Okay? Right there is a zero, right there is a zero. From this graph and from the part that you can see, it would appear that this particular equation has two zeros. One of them happens at -3, the other one happens at 3. So anything down below that is one of those is what it asks for, a zero of the function. And if you look, that is A. Okay? So the answer to number 5 is A. A zero means where it crosses the x-axis, not the y, the x.